Hello friends, today we are going to see how to write and remember Morse code, dot and dash. You have to remember only two sentences. T with JP Nadda and discussing on database cross KYC. Second sentence, Rahul and Yurasi are going to Z News, Zoom TV, yeah, Zomato for questioning or discussing about EISHq in this mobile generation. EISHq means love, pyar. EISHq is a Urdu word. KYC means identification or verification of person. So now let's start with first sentences. T with JP and discussing about database cross KYC. Let's start with T. Here we are going to execute this with bottom up approach and one step increase. So look at this. T means dash, E means dot, just exchange. A means dot dash, W means dot dash dash, J means dot dash dash dash, one step increase. Now P, let's exchange, replace dot dash with dot. Okay, so P means dot dash dash dot. Now look at N, one step increase from T, dash dot. D means one step increase now from bottom up approach, dash dot dot. B means dash dot dot dot. X means let's replace exchange last dot with dash. Okay, now KYC. K means let's increase and further one step, dash dot dash. Y means dash dot dash dash, one step increase bottom up approach. C means let's replace dash with dot. So C means dash dot dash dot. Now let's look second sentence. Rahul and Yuvraj are going to Zomato TV, CTV for questioning about EISHq in this mobile generation. Let's see R and L, bottom up approach and one step increase. R means dot dash dot, L means dot dash dot dot. You can see similarity between K and R, just flip dot and dash. Okay, now let's see UV. U means now start with double dot. U means double dot dash. V means triple dot dash, bottom up approach and one step increase. Now G Z Q, start with double dash. G means G means double dash dot. Z means double dash dot dot. And now replace flip last dot with dash. Okay, now let's move to EISHq. Now that these 6 letters are so simple, start with E dot. I means double dot, S means triple dot, H means 4 dot. Okay, bottom up approach and one step increase. MO mobile, double dot, double dash, and triple dash. Write these two sentences and this all code every day until you become master. All the best. Jai Hind. Vande Matram. Happy learning.